Hi friends, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Numerade account. So all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
First, you have to go to the Numerade website. Then click on the login button and enter your login details. Once logged in, you will enter the home page where you have to click on the profile picture and then click on the account option from the drop-down menu. Then you will see all of your account details. Scroll down to see the Delete Account option. Kindly click on that link. Then you will be redirected to another page where you will see an interface that says Erase Personal Data. Click on it. You will see another interface for confirmation of data deletion. Click on Confirm Deletion to delete your account. Congratulations! You have successfully deleted your account information. However, it is not an immediate process. Removal of information could take up to 30 days. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily delete your Numerade account. If you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.